Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you the chapter 14, our environment. Through this chapter you will learn about pollution and the different types of pollution like air, water, land and noise pollution. So, first we know about our environment. Our environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. These interact with each other. So that means everything that surrounds us forms our environment. Pollution. What is pollution? The introduction of harmful substances into the environment because of human activities is called pollution. There are mainly four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Air pollution. Industries and vehicles are the main sources of air pollution. Burning of garbage also leads air pollution. Air pollution causes a number of deadly diseases such as lung cancer and asthma. So how do we reduce air pollution? So to reduce air pollution, if you wanted to go somewhere, walk as much as you can. Use the bicycle instead of using vehicles that run on petrol or diesels. In this way, you can reduce air pollution and be healthy as well. Next is water pollution. Industries are major sources of water pollution. Household and industrial waste released into water bodies pollute them. Such activities like washing clothes or bathing animals in rivers, especially in rural areas, also causes water pollution. So to reduce water pollution, first of all, do not dispose of household chemicals or cleaning agents down the sink or toilet. Or waste is treated and made harmless before being dumped into water bodies. And also avoid bathing animals in rivers. In this way, we can reduce water pollution. Next, land pollution. Dumping of solid waste such as plastic bags, glass, bottles and metal containers cause land pollution. So to reduce land pollution, we should always throw garbage into the dustbin. This keeps the area around us clean and pollution free. Deforestation. Deforestation causes strong winds and water to carry soil particles away, leading to soil erosion. First of all, we must know about the deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation means felling trees in large numbers. When trees are cutting down, the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away. It is very important to know that nature took millions of years to form soil. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect it. So by growing more trees, we can conserve soil. So how do we conserve soil? We can conserve soil by growing more trees. Next, noise pollution. Vehicles and loudspeakers are sources of noise pollution. Exposure to loud noise over a long period of time may even cause deafness. To prevent noise pollution, we can lower down the volume of any gadget like TV, radio, loudspeaker, like this, and we can stay away from noise area. So in this way we can prevent noise pollution and save ourselves from noise pollution. So thank you students. Stay healthy, stay safe.